You are serious about your SAT or ACT score. You know practice makes perfect. So you're doing what everyone tells you, taking full length practice test after full length practice test. You are putting in the hours, guiding through every section, hoping that sheer volume will lead to your dream score. But what if the strategy, the one that you think is important, is holding you back? What if to truly improve, you need to stop taking full length practice tests until you do this? So, this isn't about doing less work, it's about doing smarter work. It's a secret that separates those who plateau from those who achieve true breakthroughs. So, today we are revealing the critical missing step: stop taking full length practice tests until you do this. So, in this video, you'll learn why blindly taking more practice tests can be ineffective and even counterproductive, the hidden power of targeted practice and deep error analysis, the precise steps you must take after every practice test to guarantee significant improvement, and how to transform your study habits, leading directly to higher scores and genuine mastery. So, this is your blueprint for turning effort into results. So, our instinct tells us that the more full length practice tests we take, the better our scores will become. But this can be a trap leading to the practice test grind. So, taking a full test takes 3 to 4 hours. If you're not analyzing your results effectively, you're just spending hours confirming what you already know, or maybe what you don't know. Reinforcing mistakes. If you repeatedly make the same errors without truly understanding why, you're simply reinforcing incorrect habits and shallow understanding. It's like doing drills incorrectly and expecting perfection. Burnout risk. Now, the sheer volume of full tests can lead to mental fatigue, stress, and even burnout, making you dread prep. The problem isn't taking practice tests, it's taking them without the crucial follow up step. What's the one thing that you must do before taking another full length practice test? Well, it's deep error analysis. This means after every single practice test, you need to perform an academic autopsy on every question you got wrong, and even those you guessed on or found difficult. So, here's the secret process: diagnose the why. For every incorrect answer, don't just look at the right solution. Ask yourself, why did I get this wrong? As we discussed in the academic autopsy, the most important conversation to have after a bad test grade. Careless error, misread, calculation mistake, rushed, conceptual gap, didn't understand the math formula, grammar rule, or reading concept. Was it a strategy flaw? You used the wrong approach, got stuck, time management issue, misinterpretation, you didn't understand the question or passage nuance, cognitive bias, fell for a trap due to confirmation bias. Keep a mistake journal. Systematically record each mistake. Your answer versus correct answer. Precise diagnosis. What type of error was it? The action plan. What specific step will you take to prevent this mistake next time? For example, review chapter 7 on parallelism, do 5 problems on permutations, always underline keywords in questions, practice 25-minute Pomodoro sessions. Targeted review. So, based on your journal, don't restudy everything. Focus your review only on specific concepts. Okay, so if you miss 3 parallelism questions, review parallelism rules, not all of English grammar. Why this works? Every mistake becomes a valuable data point. You turn perceived failures into precise learning opportunities. Your study time becomes laser focused and incredibly efficient. This is a productive failure in action. So, once you have identified your weaknesses through deep error analysis, your practice shifts from quantity to quality. So, fill gaps precisely. Instead of doing more full tests, dedicate specific study sessions to drilling only the types of problems or concepts that you identified in your mistake journal. Master concepts. Ensure that you deeply understand the underlying concepts that caused your errors. Don't just memorize solutions, understand why they work. Refine strategies. Practice applying new test taking strategies to your targeted weakness areas. Build cognitive stamina. If your errors cluster at the end of sections due to fatigue, as we already discussed in our cognitive stamina video, focus on practicing sustained attention through focused study blocks rather than just more full tests. Only after you have systematically worked on fixing these diagnosed weaknesses should you return to another full length practice test. This test then becomes a diagnostic tool to see if your interventions worked and not just another drill. So, this creates a powerful iterative cycle for continuous improvement. So, for this, take a full length practice test, that is your diagnostic. Analyze mistakes deeply, which is your learning opportunity. Engage in targeted review and practice, which is your focused effort. Repeat Take another full-length practice test to assess progress and find new areas for improvement. Wisdomy's personalized online tutoring can be your ultimate guide in this strategic cycle. Our tutors guide students through meticulous error analysis and the use of a mistake journal, provide targeted individualized instruction to precisely fill identified conceptual gaps and refine strategies, ensure deep understanding that prevents repetitive errors, offer one-on-one practice and feedback that truly transforms weaknesses into strengths, ensuring that every practice test yields maximum learning. So, Wisdomy helps you study smarter and not just longer. And you can explore its impact by booking a free trial class. The link is right there in the description below. So, don't fall into the practice test grind. Stop taking full length practice tests until you have truly mastered the art of deep error analysis and targeted review. By prioritizing quality over quantity, by systematically learning from every mistake, you transform your ACT or ACT prep. You'll not only achieve breakthrough scores but also develop powerful analytical habits that will serve you throughout your academic journey and beyond. So stop wasted prep and book a free consultation with Wisdomy's ACT experts today. We help you master deep error analysis, target your weaknesses, and achieve top scores with personalized, effective guidance. So visit wisdomy.com to book your free consultation now. Your pathway to academic excellence awaits.